Wow! That's the best rainy day ever! Oh! Hi, Sean, how are you? How do you been? Migration of the storm. That's alright, Hill. It's the storm coming. Good morning, Hill. How's it been? What? Incoming! Come on, let's bring it to the air. Oh my God! It's coming! We better hurry! Come on, let's bolt! Oh man. What happened in the storm? You two are telling the truth. Here. Don't worry, Lola. I can't understand you. Under the storm, as the boat didn't behave, or the sweet and all. I can't do, John. Don't be sad. Other people other than the rain than up there. I said else other than meet you. What are you talking about? Alright, guys. I may be bought. There's a storm and the rain just for the rescue. I'm surprised into the storm. Look out! What's the matter, Lola? Apologize to the storm when it's coming. What the father is the storm coming? And the ending. Don't worry, John. Oh, it's alright. Huh? Poop. Lola, wake up. We go to the park. Right, Ruth. Me too. Lily. Oh. I know. We sent it a rainy day. It's awful. That's right, Lola. You are the most assembled rain continues. Don't worry, John. I'm gonna tell the truth. Oh, I'm gonna do. Lily, how did you do that like this? Okay. You really have to go into the park, please. Well. It's here to tell the truth. Now, let's go to the park. Of course, John. That's all. Let's go. That's all. We can't do the rainy anymore. Go to the park. Everyone.